Hi guys, Garth here. Today I'm going to show you how to build real isometric core strength. Now, isometric core strength is the ability for your core to brace and support your spine so that the rest of your limbs, so your arms and your legs, can do independent movement, and it's a nice solid platform to work from. It's important in many things, from heavy barbell work like deadlifts, snatches, clean and jerks, right through to gymnastics drills like front levers and muscle ups even. So I'll show you a few drills that you can practice at home with no equipment, and let's get to it. The first exercise we're going to cover is the bear crawl to kick through. So we're going to start in a bear crawl position, keeping our trunk stable and in the exact same solid supportive position. We're going to then move through a few different planes to the kick through. Now, this is usually used a lot in animal flow type workouts, but it's a great addition to any kind of warm up or workout in itself. So to start with, we're going to start on the floor. So we'll start in a nice box position. So hands on the shoulders, knees under hips. From there, you're going to tuck your feet under, okay? And lift your knees off the floor. So this should cause you to brace your core. So that's your knees off the floor and with a nice neutral back. So my core is now working to keep me isometrically supported. So from there, we're going to lift this hand and the diagonally opposite leg. So we lift both, rotate and kick through. Same time, this core, this trunk, it never changes. Reset. If you need to, reset fully by putting your knees on the ground. But then we lift our knees off. Everything stays exactly the same. Kick through. So as the arms and legs are doing different things, the actual trunk, the core, is supporting the spine. So that's giving you a nice solid multi-plane support so that you're not bending and moving involuntarily. Next up, we've got side plank marches. This is going to help teach your core to laterally brace against the force of gravity that's going to want to make you break from your nice solid supported position. We're going to start on the floor on our elbows. So this elbow is supported nice and strong, pushed up out of this shoulder joint. The bottom foot is in front, the top foot is behind. From there, you're going to lift up nice and tall. Keep yourself nice and vertical, so try not to lean forwards or backwards. This, you should already feel, has your whole core engaged to stay in this nice position. From there, you're going to lift the bottom foot, then the top foot, bottom foot, top foot, and that's just the marching position. If that is too difficult to start with, you can bend the back knee and use that as the support leg and use the top foot to march only. You should keep the obliques fully contracted to help keep that position nice and strong and really fight that force pulling you into the floor. Okay guys, third on the list, we're going to play with the back support and the back support leg lift. Back supports is something not many people do, but they're excellent for developing that posterior strength and the ability to hold yourself there in position. So it'll be useful for many, many things. So we're going to start, as always, on the floor. You're going to sit just nice and relaxed. From there, you're going to have your hands with your fingers pointing backwards behind you. You're going to straighten your legs in front, keep your legs together, point your toes, and then you're going to lift the hips and chest to the roof. So you're going to engage those glutes, spinal erectors, hamstrings, everything. Nice straight legs, push up, everything's extended up to the roof. And that's a back support. Again, fighting gravity the whole time to isometrically hold that position. From there, you can march on the spot, which just adds more of a request for stabilization from the core to fight that force to rotate. Just keep yourself held in that position, and then if that's okay, you can practice little leg lifts. This is a great exercise for developing isometric strength in the whole posterior chain. It'll be really useful for things like heavy barbell work, heavy deadlifts, squats, things like that, where you've got the barbell on your back or you're going to push overhead because the posterior chain needs to be really strong. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a rotational isometric exercise that will just keep that trunk stable as you move through a different few positions, so gravity acts on your body in a couple of different ways. Okay? What we're going to do is we're going to start in a nice high side plank. So we're going to be up in side plank, nice and strong, pushed up out of that shoulder. This time, the front leg is your top leg, the back leg is your bottom leg. Going to reach up nice and tall, so you're really keeping this core position nice and solid and support it. From there, this hand is going to bend and tuck under and reach out to the side. Notice the trunk does not move as I come back. The whole time, just reaches under, glides past the chest, reach as far as you can without breaking that isometric support, and back. Again, this just takes that hold, that isometric support through a few ranges where the force changes fluidly. It's a great one to put in for a warm-up, especially if you're going to do some heavy lifting. So give them a go, let me know what you think, and have fun.